It's time to vacuum the cat. Yes, I'm really going to vacuum. Well, I can vacuum both of my cats. They don't really mind it. Sometimes they take off and, whatever. But for the most part, I mean, they would take off if they hated it. So they don't really mind it. I also have less pressure. So, I open this up but it still sucks pretty good. So the vacuum is fairly loud, so just turn down the volume on your speakers, but then you won't be able to hear me talking. Just joking. Here we go. See? You can tell that she is pretty excited about being vacuumed. Look at her face. See, and then she took off, she'd had enough. It's usually the way women react to me. Now I'm going to vacuum Mittens, hopefully. We'll see. Look at that. You can just tell that she wants to be vacuumed.